pleasant day to everyone. In this video, you will learn how to find the median of a set of numbers using counters. The median is one of the measures of central tendency, just like the mean. A set of numbers can be described based on the central value. The median is simply the middlemost number when all the numbers in a set are arranged in either increasing or decreasing order. Take, for example, find the median of the following numbers: 3, 7, and 5. We will have 3 stacks with 3 counters for our first number 3. We will have 7 counters for our next stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for our third stack, we will have 5 counters for the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, as you can see, the numbers here are not yet arranged from the shortest to the tallest stack. So what we need to do first is to arrange this. So 3 is the shortest stack, followed by 5. Then it should be 7, which is the tallest stack. So let's move our 7 counters to the right of our second stack. So arranging in increasing order, our numbers will become 3, 5, 7. So to find the middlemost value, since there are 3 numbers in our data set, the middlemost value is therefore 5. Therefore, the median of this data set is 5. Let's go to our next example. This time around, our data set will have 4 numbers. So let us try to find the mean of these 4 numbers. So these numbers are 2, 6, 7, and 4. Now, these numbers are quite small, so it's already easy for us to arrange them from shortest to tallest. So we will have first 2. So the number 2 will make use of 2 counters, followed by 4 with 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our third stack will have 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then our last stack, we will have 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have arranged them from shortest to tallest. So how do we find the middlemost value since we have 4 and 6 here? So all we have to do is find the average or the mean of 4 and 6. Just like in the previous video, so all we have to do is to equalize the number of counters for these 2 middle stacks. So since 6 here is obviously taller, let's transfer 1 counter from the third stack to our second stack. So now we have the same number of counters in our second and in our third stack. So this tells us that the median for this data set is therefore 5. Let's count the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same is true for our third stack here. That's all for this video on finding the median using counters. See you next time.